Let's go over the solutions for the lab on Wednesday, the traffic light. So I gave the template, and let's see now how can we make the traffic work. I'm going to show here the block diagram. And pretty much we are combining this concept of local variables with our flat sequence structure and also our case structure over here. So I will have 6 conditions on my traffic on my sequencer. So you create 6 scenes, and the first scene you're just mapping local variables to the lights. So notice here that I have the traffic lights, the green, yellow, and red, and the traffic lights, the green, yellow, and red for the light 2. Then I have the pedestrian lights and also the pedestrian button. So I create local variables for all that per sequence. So here I have the green one of traffic light 1, and then everything is false, turned off. The same thing happens, the red for traffic light 2 is on, and the pedestrian is off. And then I'm going to spend 2 seconds in this sequence. Then I switch to the second sequence, and on the second I go yellow, still red, and then third sequence we have 2 things going on here. When I go to red, I need to analyze the condition of the button. So if it's false, it's just acting normally. It puts all signs, all lights to red, waits 2 seconds, and then it goes over the cycle here also. Let's just put this one in false. So then it swaps the traffic light 1 with traffic light 2. Goes green, then yellow, and then both red, and then because it's inside of this while loop, goes back and it does all this. Now I'm putting a case structure on the third sequence. In case I press the button, if that condition is true for these 2 situations here, now I have a small flat sequence here to operate the green and reds of the pedestrian signals. So first one, they are red. I wait a second there, and then I turn green for the pedestrian to pass, then red again, and then it keeps going the sequence. So if I press play, this is what's going on. So green, yellow, and red, red, green, yellow, and red. So right now I'm in this condition. Again, it goes back again. See if I, if I minimize, you cannot see the thing going on. But what happens if I press the button when it gets to that state? Then it enters inside of that second sequence that we have inside of the structure, the case structure, and then he operates normally. If you want to see things working slowly, you have this bulb over here. If you press, it's kind of telling you step by step what's happening. So now he's all red, and then he goes to the next condition. Here you go. Values propagate, turn on to green. So when you have that bulb, is a little bit slower. Waits 2 seconds, now moves to the second condition where brings yellow, and then moves again. The condition is false, all red. So you get the idea. So you can use the bulb here. Makes your program slower, but you can follow the execution of your code and understand what's going on. And that's it. That's the solution for the traffic light.